In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Google AdSense in the easiest way possible. Whether you're new to Google AdSense or have been using it for a while, understanding how to manage your account settings, including the currency you're paid in, is crucial. Let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to the Google AdSense homepage. This is where all your AdSense management begins. You can find the link to direct you to the homepage in the description box below, or you can simply search for Google AdSense and log in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard of your AdSense account. Next, let's direct our focus to the Reports section. Look to the left-hand side menu of your AdSense dashboard, or sometimes it's located at the top, depending on your screen size and layout. The Reports section is where Google AdSense aggregates all your revenue data, which includes the performance of your ads, estimated earnings, and of course the currency settings we're interested in today. Click on Reports to proceed. After you've entered the Reports section, it's time to dive a bit deeper. You'll notice various icons and options, but look for the cogwheel icon, often synonymous with settings across many platforms. This is usually located at the top right corner within the Reports section. The cogwheel icon is your gateway to customizing your reporting experience, including the currency display of your AdSense account. Now for the primary task at hand, changing your currency. After you've clicked on the cogwheel icon, a drop-down menu or a list of options will appear. Within this, you'll want to hover over or find the setting labeled Currency. This is where Google AdSense allows you to select the currency you desire from a comprehensive list. Remember, the currency you choose will reflect in your earnings reports, which can be particularly useful if you're monitoring your performance in a currency that you use more frequently or is local to you. Proceed to hover over the currency option and you should see a list of different currencies. Take your time to find the currency you want to switch to. This could be your local currency or one that you prefer for your financial planning and tracking. Once you find your desired currency, click on it to select it. It's important to mention that changing the currency in your Google AdSense reports does not affect the currency in which you will be paid. This setting only changes how your earnings are displayed in your reports. The actual payment currency is determined by your account settings and the country associated with your bank account. However, seeing your earnings in a currency that you're more familiar with can help you better understand your AdSense performance. And that's it. You've successfully updated the currency setting in your Google AdSense reports. It's a simple yet effective way to make your revenue data more understandable and accessible, especially if you're dealing with multiple currencies in your business or personal finances. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Always ensure your AdSense account details are up to date, including your payment information. This is crucial for seamless transactions and to avoid any payment delays or issues. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the different reports and data insights available in the Reports section. These insights can be incredibly valuable in optimizing your website or content strategy to maximize your AdSense earnings. We're done for today. Changing your reporting currency in Google AdSense is as straightforward as that. Don't forget to explore other settings and features within your AdSense account to fully leverage its capabilities. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of Google AdSense and other digital tools. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.